Hello everyone, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE Magazine, and this is News Roundup for the week of December 3rd. Welcome and good to have you with us. Let's start with an important acquisition news. Design software and IoT technology supplier PTC has announced it's buying Frustum, a generative design software maker. PTC is known for, among other things, the Creo CAD and simulation software suite and Vuforia, a collection of AR/VR application development solutions. The company is also known for ThingWorx, an industrial IoT application development platform that can be used for, among other things, developing and maintaining digital twins. PTC's acquisition of Frustum reflects the design software company's growing interest in something called generative design, software with artificial intelligence or AI-like algorithms that can suggest the best shape or topology for your products. Frustum's generative design software is known as Generate or Frustum Generate. With the purchase of Frustum, PTC now seems poised to compete with other rivals who already have generative design offerings, rivals such as Autodesk and Siemens PLM software, among other firms. TechSoft, makers of the HOOPS Visualize software developer kit, has announced it's adding support for AR/VR, augmented reality, and virtual reality. That means using its SDK, developers can now create CAD viewing applications for HTC Vive, Microsoft HoloLens, Oculus Rift and Meta 2 headset. HOOPS technology is integrated into many industry-standard CAD programs, including those from Siemens PLM, Dassault Systèmes SolidWorks, and Autodesk. SolidWorks is among the early CAD vendors that added augmented reality support for its eDrawings application, a free CAD file viewer. Considering TechSoft's HOOPS' critical role in the design software markets, the AR/VR support opens a lot of new doors for developers to create programs and applications that let you easily bring CAD models into AR/VR environment for viewing, testing, collaboration, and simulation. The 3D printing division of HP has picked up a number of big customers, Ragtag 3D and GE Transportation. The customer wins boost the HP Multijet Fusion 3D printer's image as a mass production and manufacturing solution. Ragtag 3D is a China-based industrial contract manufacturer using 3D printing for industrial-scale operations, and GE Transportation is an equipment supplier to the rail, mining, marine, stationary power, and drilling industries. HP has also struck a partnership with Autodesk, known for its NetFab and Autodesk Fusion 360 software, both of which support designing for 3D printing projects. The two announced the launch of an integrated end-to-end additive design-to-print workflow to let you design something in Autodesk software, then produce it by 3D printing in HP's Multijet Fusion printers. What do you get when you combine Mini Spot, a dog-like robot from Boston Dynamics, and a pair of robotic arms from U-Bionic? You get something that looks like a headless centaur, a half-horse, half-human mythological creature without a head. The fusion of the two robots gives you a new hybrid robot that can pour wine, among other things. It's a robotic centaur who can stand in as your butler, if you will. Photos of the co-joined robot appeared first on Twitter, posted by U-Bionics. Boston Dynamics planned to start selling its Spot Mini robot in 2019, which is just around the corner now. So if you want a robot puppy to run around your home, please contact Boston Dynamics. And if you'd like a robot centaur butler, also contact U-Bionics. This is all the news for the week. I'm Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE. Thank you very much for watching.